How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Camaro SS 350. It's done in a beautiful blue metallic with white stripes with a matching deluxe blue interior. It's the medium blue interior. It's got a new front bumper on it. The grille is all original and excellent shape. They did do the cowl hood on it. Chin spoiler, rear spoiler. Car's super straight, flat, slick paint down the sides. It's all original body panels. I tell you, I really like the deluxe interior in the car. Got your 15-inch Torx and BF Goodrich TA tires. This car's had a complete restoration about 5 years ago. Updated with LED taillights. Tell you, this light blue metallic with the white stripe, just good looking car. I really like the deluxe blue interior in it. It's got the deluxe trim there on top of the doors. It's got your disc brakes up front. It's got a real strong running 350 in it. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. Got your headers, duals out the back with flows. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. All the stripes are buried in the clear so you don't feel them. This is a 4-speed car. These are the original door panels. Excellent condition. No splits or anything. It's had new dash pad. Headliner. It's all new. New seat covers. Got a Kenwood stereo system. Your factory 4-speed console. It's got a Hurst Competition Plus shifter. See, the jams are all real nice on the car. Super clean car. It's original panel car. Floors and all. Tell you, the paintwork on this car is just gorgeous. Super slick. And the deluxe interior, it's pretty rare. You don't see it a lot. Dash pad and everything looks real nice in the car. It's got your deluxe floor mats. Doors are all nice and clean. Very nice car, guys. Fires right up. Nice sounding camshaft in it, just thumps out the back. Tell you, I really like the LED taillights. They stand out real well. You know, a lot of these older cars, it's hard to see the taillights in them, but LED sure helps. Makes it really nice. This car is ready to just get in and cruise. I actually drove this car about 100 miles home a week ago. Just a super nice car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustommi.com. Have a great day, folks.